Taking a look at our final dimension cut list, our objective is to make a workpiece that is 3 5/16 thick by 1.5 inches in width by 36 3/16 inches in length. And because we glued up multiple pieces, we have an uneven surface along the edges of our workpiece. So we need to use the joiner to create 2 adjacent sides that are perfectly 90 degrees or perfectly perpendicular to each other. And to keep myself from getting confused, I will label my good adjacent sides before performing this operation with my other leg blank. And with that finished, I have 2 adjacent edges that are perfectly 90 degrees to each other. They are cleaned up and true.